Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn a very easy and important chapter, percentage. This is very familiar for you as you have learned this chapter in previous classes. Okay, before going to start the lesson, let us see what we are going to learn in this chapter. Topics to be covered. Here, first introduction means concept of percentage. Next, conversion of percentage into a fraction. Conversion of fractions into a percentage. Conversion of ratio into a percentage. Conversion of a percentage into a ratio. Conversion of percentage into a decimal. Conversion of a decimal into a percentage. And finally, the simple applications of percentage. These concepts we are going to learn in this chapter. Students, listen carefully. Where you have stopped ratio and proportion chapter, there itself you can continue this chapter. No need to keep separate notes. Okay, only for geometry part you have to keep separate notes. This chapter you can continue in the same book. Now let us start.
Kids, before we start the topic, let's understand the meaning of the word percentage. The words per cent mean per hundred or for every hundred. It is represented symbolically using the percent sign. Let's take the example of this square to understand percentage in a better way. The square is divided into 100 small squares of equal dimension. Out of these 100 squares, 30 squares are red. We can say that 30 out of 100 or 30% of the squares are red. 30% is written symbolically as number 30 followed by the percent symbol. 30% means 30 upon 100 or 30 hundredths. Further, 16 squares out of 100 squares are green. It means 16% of the squares are green. 16% is equal to 16 upon 100 means 16 hundredths. 24 squares out of 100 squares are yellow. It means 24% of the squares are yellow. 24% is equal to 24 upon 100 means 24 hundredths. Now, let's write the percentages of the following symbolically. 99 out of 100 marks scored in English. That means 99 upon 100, which is equal to 99% marks scored in English. Next, 52 red boxes out of 100. That means 52 upon 100, which is equal to 52% red boxes. Kids, time for you all to take out your notebooks and try finding percentages on your own.
Students, I hope that you all are clear about percentage. Now let us learn the conversion of percentage into a fraction. To convert a percentage into a fraction, we must divide a given number by 100. Now let us take an example. See, your rule you have to remember. To convert a percentage into a fraction, divide the given number by 100. Example, 15 percentage. How you will convert this 15 percentage to fraction form? According to this rule, what we must do, students? The given number divided by, see, percent, per means what? Divided, cent means 100. Percent, you already have learned, percent is nothing but per 100. Per means what? The division symbol. 100. So now you simplify this. 15 by 100. From 5 ones a table, we can simplify. 5 threes are 5 20s are. 3 by 20 is a simplest form of fraction. Second example, 6 integer 1 by 4 percentage. How we will convert this to fraction form? First you simplify this given number. Given number is in mixed fraction. Mixed fraction you convert to improper fraction. How to convert? 6 4s are 24 plus 1. So 25 divided by 4. The percentage as it is. Symbol I will take as it is. Now 25 by 4. This is a given number. Percentage symbol you have to remove now. To remove the percentage symbol, what we must do? Number divided by 100. This is numerator, this is denominator. So now if it is like this, you already learned 25 divided by 4 goes to denominator place. 4 into 100. Now simplify. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So answer 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is the simplest form of fraction. Now third one, 8.25 percentage. See, question is in decimal form. You have to convert this percentage into the fraction. Here 8.25. First this decimal point you have to remove. How you will remove? Just multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Here denominator is what? 1. So 8.25 into 100. Here after the decimal point there are 2 places. So to remove this point, multiply and divide by 100. This percentage symbol I will keep as it is. Now this point shifted to right by 2 places because here 100. From 100 we are multiplying. Means point vanish. 825 by 100 percentage. Percentage means what, students, here? Percentage means the given number divided by 100. So here 825 by 100 into 100. How to simplify here? Here from 25 we can cancel. 25 4s are 100. Here 25 3s are 75. Here 82 minus 75 how much? 12 minus 5 how much, students? 7. Here 82 minus 75 is 7. Here 75. 75 left out. 25 3 is a 75. So answer is 33 divided by 4 into 100. 4 into 100 how much? That is 400. This is the simplest form of fraction. We cannot cancel 33 by 100. So we have to stop here. Friends, this part as it is you have to copy in your notes. Students, now let us learn the conversion of a fraction into a percentage. Here also there is a rule. To convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100 and add the symbol for percentage. It is also very simple, students. Now let us take an example. First one, 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is a fraction form. How you will convert this fraction into percentage? 5 by 12. To convert this fraction into percentage, just we must multiply by 100 and put a bracket and use percentage symbol because we are converting fraction into percentage. So percentage symbol is compulsory. Now simplify this. Here 4. 4 3s are how much? 12. 4 25s are. 5 into 25 how much? 125. 125 by 3 percentage. This here whatever answer we have got, it is in improper fraction. Don't keep like this. This improper fraction you convert either in decimal form or mixed fraction form. So now to keep this answer in mixed fraction, what we must do, students? We must divide this. Here 3 4s are 12. Carry this 5 down. Here 3 1s are 3. 2 left out. So in mixed fraction we can write like this: 41 integer 2 by 3 percentage. This is the answer. Now let's go for the second question. Second example. Here 9 by 16. This fraction we must convert to percentage form. What we must do? 9 by 16 into 100. Here percentage symbol. Here 4 4s are 16. 4 25s are. Then any number we cannot cancel here. Multiply. Here 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. 225 by 4 percentage. Again this is an improper fraction. You must convert it to mixed fraction. Here 4 5s are 20. Here 25 left out. Here 4 6s are 24. 1 left out. So 56 integer 1 by 4 percentage is the answer. Next, third one. 13 by 15. What we must do, students? 13 by 15 into 100. Percentage symbol. Here 5 3s are 15. Here 5 20s are. Here 13 into 20. 13 2s are how much? 26. 13 20s are 260 by 3 percentage. You have to divide this to convert for mixed fraction. Here 3 8s are 24. Here 20. Next up 3 6s are 18. 2 left out. Answer 86 integer 2 by 3 percentage. In this way we can convert a fraction into a percentage form. Students, now let us learn the conversion of ratio into percentage. It is very easy. Question will be in the form of ratio. First, you must convert ratio into fraction. See the first example. 3:5. 3 you must write in numerator and 5 should be in the denominator. It is in fraction form. Ratio to fraction, then fraction to percentage. Fraction to percentage, what we must do, students? 3 by 5 into 100 percentage. Already we have learned this method. Now simplification. 5 1s are 5. 20s are. Answer 3 20s are 3 into 20 percentage, that is 60 percentage. This is conversion of ratio into a percentage. Now second question. First what we must do? Ratio to fraction. 7 by 25. Next 7 by 25 into 100. We must convert to percentage. So don't forget to put percentage symbol. Here simplify. 25 1s are 4s are. Here 7 into 4 percentage 28 percentage. Students, now let us learn the conversion of a decimal into percentage. To convert the decimal into percentage, you remember this rule, students. First, we must convert the given decimal number into fraction. Next, we convert the fraction into percentage. What we must do? First, convert the given decimal number into fraction form. Afterwards, the fraction into percentage form. Now, let us take a first example. 0.28. 0.28 is in what? Decimal form. This decimal form to fraction form. First step. How to convert, students? After the decimal point, there are two places. So, in the numerator, what we have to take? 28. In the denominator, 100. It is in fraction form. Now, this fraction to percentage. Two steps you have to remember. First, decimal to fraction, fraction to percentage. 28 by 100 into 100. And don't forget to put percentage symbol. Here 100 cancel. 28% is the answer. Now here see second one, 0.6. How to convert? For fraction 6 by 10, because after the decimal point only one place, so 6 by 10 is the fraction form. Now 6 by 10 into 100. To convert percentage, we must multiply by 100 and percentage symbol. Now here 0 cancelled. 6 into 10. What is the answer? 60%. Now see the third one. Here how many places are there after the decimal point? 3 places. In the numerator as it is 125. In the denominator 1000. See, according to these places you have to take the zeros. Here 3 places, so 3 zeros. Here 1 place, 1 0. Here 2 place, 2 zeros. Now 125 by 1000 into 100. Because we are converting this decimal into percentage. So into 100 and percentage symbol. Here 2 zeros cancelled. Here 125 by 10 percentage. This you convert to decimal form. 125 by 10. What we can write? 12.5. In the denominator 10 is there. So answer after simplification you will get 12.5%. So this I hope that you have learned like this problem in the decimal chapter. 125 by 10. Without actual division we can convert this. If you don't know, then you can go for division. 125. Here what? 10 ones are 10. Here 25. 2s are 20. 5 left out. Take point. 0. 10 5s are 50. 0. Here 12.5% is the answer. Students, now let us learn the conversion of percentage into decimal. Already we have learned the conversion of percentage into fraction. There what we have done, students? We have removed this percentage symbol and then we have divided. Percentage means what? Any number divided by 100. Here also we must remove this percentage symbol and divide by 100. It converts to fraction form. Afterwards that fraction we must convert to decimal form. It is also very easy. Now let us see how it is. 8%. This percentage convert to decimal. 8 by, first you have to remove this percentage symbol. 8 by 100. Next what we must do, students? This fraction into decimal form. This is the first step. Next step, fraction to decimal. Here see the denominator is 100. If denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, if it is like this, to convert decimal it is very easy. We are saying that if the denominator is 10 power n form, we can easily convert decimal without dividing. How it is? Here in the denominator there are 2 zeros. So in the numerator, start from the unit place, we have to shift this decimal point to 2 places. places. Means what? Here already 8 is there. Here nothing. Nothing is there means what? We have to take 0. So decimal point shift to left. Shift to left by 2 places. So already in the numerator 1 place is there. For 2 place we have to take 0. So then you put point. 0.08 is the answer. Now second one, 65%. What to do? 65 divided by 100. Fraction. Now decimal. Here see denominator 2 zeros. So start from unit place, decimal point shift to left by 2 places. Already in the numerator 2 places are there. So like this answer 0.65 is the answer. Here what you will do, students? Question is in fraction form. First this is in mixed fraction. Convert to improper fraction. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 1. 36 by 5 divided by percentage means 100. This is nothing but what? 36 by 5 into 100. That is 36 by 500. I already said if the denominator in this form 10, 100, 1000. If it is like this, we can easily convert. But here 500 is not in this form. But can we convert in that form? Yes, by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. Here 36 2s are 72 divided by 1000. Now it is easy. You can easily convert to decimal form. How it is? 72 by 1000. Now here from unit place decimal point shift to left by 3 places. But here 2 place. 2 7. For 3 place what we have to do? We have to take 0 here. 0.072 is the answer. Last one. Question is decimal number. Here 12.4. 12.4 as it is I have taken percentage divided by 100. Now what to do? First we have to remove this decimal point before converting the decimal number. First here see numerator already is decimal. Question itself decimal. First you remove this. To remove this decimal point we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So here numerator becomes what? In this case if we multiply 10, here this decimal point shift to right by 1 place. So answer 124. Here 1000. See 124 by 1000. Now convert to decimal number. Here there are 3 zeros. So 0.124 is the answer. Students, now let us learn a last conversion, that is conversion of percentage into ratio. See here question 65%. Question is in percentage form. First step is what? Percentage to fraction. Finally fraction to ratio form. Let us see how it is. 65%. Here 65 by 100. Fraction form. Before converting to ratio form, first we must simplify this fraction. Fraction should be in the simplest form. Here 5 20s are, and here 5 1s are 5, 15 3s are. Here 13 by 20 is the simplest form of fraction. Now you convert this fraction to ratio form. That is 13 is to 20. It is very simple. The second one, 20 to 1 by 2 percentage. This mixed fraction convert to improper. 22 2s are 44 plus 1, 45 by 2. Percentage you have to remove. Divided by 100. Next what? 45 by 2. 2 goes to denominator. Here down. 2 into 100. So here 45 by 200. We can simplify here, no? From 5 nines are here 5 40s are. 9 by 40 is the simplest form of fraction. So answer 9 is to 40, because we must convert the percentage into ratio form, not percentage into fraction. One more extra step here to ratio, that is the simplest form of fraction we must convert to ratio. Next, third one, 13.5. 13.5 divided by 100. Now we must remove this point by multiplying 10 for both numerator and denominator. Here 135 by 1000. Simplify. Here 5 200s are. Here 5 2s are 10, 7s are. 27 by 200 is the simplest form of fraction. Answer 27 is to 200. Students, whatever method I have taught for you in this class, you must copy as it is in your notes, and you have to practice well. All the conversions are easy, students, but you have to understand the method and you have to solve it. Students, homework first main, convert into percentage. Here questions are in fraction form. You must convert it to percentage form. Second one, questions are in percentage form. You must convert it to ratio. Third one, questions are in decimal form. You must convert it to percentage. And last one, questions are in percentage form. You must convert it to decimal. Here fourth one, first question is 20%. Second one, 6 integer 1 by 5 percentage. Students, before going to complete homework part, first you have to neatly write classwork part in your notes and you have to practice it. Then you have to solve homework questions.